If you've done much DIY gun work, you have no doubt come across something called a torque value. These are usually applied to screws or some other type of attaching hardware when you're installing an accessory or putting together a gun. Torque values are not something to be dismissed. It's not good enough to say it's tight enough, do it by feel. Those values are there for a reason. The primary reason is not to damage the workpiece or damage the item that you're installing, as well as the attaching hardware, the screw, for example. You apply too much torque, say to a screw head, it could break off. You got the shank, the threaded shank in the workpiece, and now you've got a really bad day because you got to get it out. So it's important not to over torque, but at the same time, you need to make sure you apply enough torque so that the item that you're installing is going to stay secure. Take for example a rifle scope. The screws that are holding the mount to the receiver, the rings that's securing the scope to the mount, these have to be tightened to a specified torque value. Otherwise, the scope could come loose, and you don't want that. So torque values need to be paid attention to. And fortunately, the folks at Real Avid have come up with yet another solution for making the job of getting those torque values just right a whole lot easier. First up is the Smart-Torq adjustable limiter and X3 driver kit. Well, this comes with a ratchet and an extension. Those two combine to also form a T-handle. And then you got the torque wrench. This goes from 15 to 65 inch-pounds. And included in the kit are an assortment of driver bits, including your Torx and your hex bits. Also comes with a half-inch socket. Next up is the Smart-Torq fixed limiter and X3 driver kit. So we have the same combination ratchet and extension as the other kit, but now this one includes fixed limiters, 15, 20, 25, 30, 45, and 65 inch-pound rated. In addition, it comes with an assortment of driver bits, again hex, Torx, flat end Phillips, and a half-inch socket. The X3 driver system is really diverse. You could use the T-handle configuration, for example, to get a little extra torque when you're loosening tight screws. The ratchet is used with the fixed torque limiter, so you can get that perfect torque setting. And when a screwdriver configuration is needed, you can simply put a bit at the end of the extension and it works just like a screwdriver. To use the torque wrench, just disengage the lock, install a ratchet, and tighten it until the white line is adjacent to the torque value that you want. Lock it and install your bit. The adjustable torque wrench gives you precise control of your torque values as you're installing screws. It's very important, especially when you're working with optics or pretty much anything related to a gun. Manufacturers give us torque values not as suggestions or recommendations, but as requirements to make sure that the parts that we're installing stay on and that we don't damage the workpiece in the process. And kits like the Smart-Torqs from Real Avid, especially with the X3 drivers, whether you're using the limited torque or the adjustable torque tools, either way you're going to be able to get those torque values right where you need them. What's cool about these systems anyway is that they're packaged small and convenient. You can throw them in a range bag, set them on your bench, in your toolbox, whatever. They don't take up a lot of space, but they do provide huge value when it comes to working on your gun.